up, YouTube? Welcome back to Cooking with Quarantina. I'm officially in my third trimester. Today, baby girl is 28 weeks this week, and she is the size of a head of romaine lettuce. She wanted to do some baking today, so I thought about baking my lemon ricotta muffins. Now I know what you're thinking, ricotta cheese in muffins does sound odd, but trust me, it's my secret ingredient to keep muffins nice and moist. And today I'm going to share that recipe with you.
For our dry ingredients, we'll need flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. For our wet ingredients, we'll need butter, lemon zest, whole milk ricotta cheese, egg, lemon juice, and almond extract. For our toppings, we'll need thinly sliced almonds and sugar for sprinkling. In a medium bowl, we will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To make sure that the flour isn't packed too densely, we will fill up our measuring cup and scrape off the excess flour with a straight edge. We will then mix half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. We will whisk until all the ingredients are combined. In a large bowl, we will add 1/2 cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter. I like to cut up the butter to make it easier to mix. We will then add lemon zest from 2 lemons, and lastly add 1 cup of sugar. We will use an electric mixer to beat until mixture is light and fluffy. In the same bowl, we'll add 1 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese, we'll mix the ingredients together. Next, we'll add 1 large egg and then mix. We'll add lemon juice from 1 lemon, make sure to avoid adding seeds into the batter like I just did. We'll add half a teaspoon of almond extract, and we will mix our wet ingredients until well combined. We will then mix our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. I'll pour in half of our dry ingredients and use a spatula to mix. We want to avoid over mixing to make sure that the batter isn't too dense. We'll then add the rest of the dry ingredients and mix. In the end, the batter will be thick and fluffy. You'll then line the muffin pan with paper liners. If you don't have enough muffin liners, you can use parchment paper. Cut parchment paper into 5-inch squares and press it down inside using a small cup. You'll then add the batter inside the liner. You'll repeat the process until the tray is filled. We will then sprinkle each muffin with some sugar. And then we'll add sliced almonds on top of each muffin. We will place muffins in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees and bake for 20 minutes. Once the muffins become golden on top, they are done.
Now it's time to try these muffins. These muffins sure are moist. And baby girl loves how the almond and lemon flavor complement each other. Well, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and smash that like button if you'd like to see more content like this in the future. Comment below with your favorite recipes that you would like us to feature. If you're looking for something savory, click here for our recipe on budget-friendly stir-fry noodles, or click here for our recipe on honey mustard chicken. Well, thanks for watching, and we love ya!